Over 20 years, we've been doing a lot of infrastructural development in terms of water and emergency operations. They are pastoralists. For them to access water for their livestock, we have to build the infrastructure for them. The challenge that we have is that we are very much over-relying on the boreholes. And in the near future, what we are fearing is that most of these boreholes will dry up. Unless now we put measures in place. And for us to move out of that, we have to come out with some other strategies on how we can overcome water scarcity.
This is underground tank. So this is to harvest the rainwater. Its capacity is 100,000 liters. When they exhaust the rainwater, then they bring water by water tankering and they store it here for the community to distribute to the community.
For us to get actually that clean and safe drinking water to the household level, we have also to separate the livestock drinking point and human drinking point, where we look at the sanitation and the cleanliness and the safeness of the water, rather than depending on the traditional system where both livestock and human beings actually take water from the same point. Before, they never used to have this, and in order to reduce the risk and contamination of the water and improving the quality of the water itself, we opted to come up with this water flask, which will reduce the contamination of water from the borehole.